Hi viewers, welcome to another exciting airport walkthrough. We are going to walk you through the Bangladesh Dhaka International Airport on a departure procedure. We are traveling on SriLankan Airlines today and traveling to Colombo International Airport, Sri Lanka, from Dhaka International Airport, and it's going to be an exciting walkthrough. Please stay tuned. Let's walk you through the airport departure procedure, immigration, security screenings, duty free shops, amenities at the airport, and boarding gates. Please stay tuned and subscribe to the channel for more exciting videos. We reached the airport terminal and seems it's flooded with people. Let's swim through this ocean of people. You'll find lots of guys trying to help you, not for social service but for money. Please be mindful before adopting any of these services. We just cleared the first security screening. The security screening is right after the entrance of the international airport. The airport has modern passenger terminal with multiple facilities. It underwent significant renovations and expansions in the recent years to accommodate the growing number of passengers. We reached the SriLankan Airlines counter and the procedure was quick and smooth. You may need to find out your airline's counters. Look for the digital screens to locate your counters. Time to go for immigration and time to fill the immigration form. It's a manual form. I believe these airports need to change their approach and to change it to digital format. Please comment on your thought process. Clear the immigration. Right after the immigration, you will land on a long hallway of duty free shops, seating areas, and other amenities. Let's walk around, guys, to see the facilities. This is the way to go to the gates for boarding. But anyhow, let's walk around a bit before we go to this area. One thing noticed on duty free shops is most of the shops don't have the international brands and the racks are empty. Probably the reason is the dollar shortage and the controls deployed on import using dollars. Anyhow, the prices at the duty free shops are way high. Please be mindful. One more thing to note is you can pay on local currency, and most of the shops are having prices on local currency as well. So that something is quite useful. If you have some currency left out in your hand, you don't need to do a conversion, you can use it at the airport. This hallway of airport is so long and you'll find lots of facilities and lot of seating facilities in the middle, lots of shops and lots of meal options and coffee shops, tea shops. It's good to see that quite a lot of facilities are being added to this airport. Government duty free shop, something I'm seeing first time. Seems it's a state running duty free shop. Let's go in and see what they offer to the passengers. Seems this hallway never ends. We walked almost 10 minutes. There's a library in the middle. That something is quite amazing, and it's a great idea to have an or have a airport library. Probably all other airports can also probably think about this. That's great. Time to go for our gates. Let's walk through the next section of the airport, which connect all the gates for boarding.
Please separate your electronic items and put in the tray. May your journey be safe and enjoyable. Thank you for your kind cooperation. Thank you to Hazrat Shahjalal International Airport.
As we travel on SriLankan Airlines, let's figure out where the SriLankan Airlines gate is. And we are traveling on SriLankan Airlines A320 Airbus to Colombo International Airport. Here we go, we reached the gate. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and support the channel.